Have you ever wondered about the best things to do in Antalya? Welcome to a journey through a land where history whispers through the ancient ruins, nature flaunts her beauty in cascading waterfalls and pristine beaches, and culture thrives in the bustling bazaars and charming old towns. Antalya, a Mediterranean gem, is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. From the cobblestone streets of Kaleiçi to the stunning trails of the Lycian Way, there's an adventure at every turn. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 things to do in this Mediterranean paradise. Number 10 on our list is Hadrian's Gate, the gateway to Antalya's old town. Imagine stepping back in time into a world draped in history and culture. That's precisely what you do when you cross through Hadrian's Gate. This monumental triple-arched marble gateway was erected in the year 130 to honor the visit of Roman Emperor Hadrian. Its ornate carvings and well-preserved state make it a masterpiece of Roman architecture. Through its grand arches, Hadrian's Gate has witnessed centuries of history unfolding. It's seen empires rise and fall, and today it stands as a proud testament to the city's rich past. It's not just an architectural marvel, but an open history book, each stone telling a story of its own. As you walk beneath its arches, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. You're not merely passing through a gate, you're stepping into a different era, into the heart of Antalya's old town. Hadrian's Gate, a breathtaking introduction to the old town of Antalya. Coming in at number 2 is the stunning Lara Beach. Imagine a stretch of golden sand kissed by the sun and caressed by the gentle waves of the Mediterranean. That's Lara Beach for you. A haven of beauty and tranquility, this beach is a gem on the Turkish Riviera. But the allure of Lara Beach doesn't stop at its picturesque setting. This beach proudly holds the blue flag status, an international recognition for its pristine water quality, safety and environmental education. Looking for a bit of adventure? Lara Beach has plenty to offer. From jet skiing and parasailing to beach volleyball and snorkeling, there's never a dull moment here. And for those who prefer a more relaxed pace, the beach is lined with sun loungers, perfect for soaking up the sun or getting lost in a good book. After a day of fun-filled activities, unwind at one of the beachfront cafes or restaurants, savouring delicious Turkish cuisine as the sun sets over the horizon. Lara Beach, a haven for sun, sea and sand. At number 8, we have the spectacular Düden Waterfalls. Imagine a place where the power and beauty of nature come together in a breathtaking spectacle. That's Düden Waterfalls for you. Nestled in the heart of Antalya, these cascading waterfalls create a symphony of sounds that echo through the lush surroundings. What makes the Düden Waterfalls a must-see? It's not just their awe-inspiring beauty. It's also the immersive experience of being there. Standing at the foot of the falls, you can feel the cool mist on your face, hear the roar of the water and see the rainbows dancing in the spray. It's a feast for the senses that leaves you feeling refreshed and invigorated. Visiting Düden Waterfalls is like stepping into a living postcard. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the city and reconnect with nature. It's a place that brings out the adventurer in you. Düden Waterfalls, a site of stunning natural beauty. Number 7 on our list is the charming Kaleiçi. Nestled in the heart of Antalya, this old town is a picturesque labyrinth of winding streets and unique architecture. As you wander through its narrow alleyways, you're transported back in time, embraced by structures that whisper tales of the Roman, Byzantine, Seljuk and Ottoman empires. Every corner you turn, every cobblestone you tread on, is drenched in history and culture. It's not uncommon to find yourself in a square surrounded by quaint tea houses and shops selling traditional crafts. Here you can enjoy a cup of Turkish tea or perhaps sample some local delicacies. Of course, no visit to Kaleiçi would be complete without soaking in the stunning views of the old harbour, a testament to Antalya's rich maritime past. Whether you're a history buff, a food lover or simply an avid explorer, Kaleiçi has something to offer. Kaleiçi, a delightful maze of history and culture. Coming in at number 6 is the ancient ruins of Aspendos. Now, imagine stepping back in time, walking through a city where gladiators once roamed. Aspendos, a city of the Roman province of Pamphylia Secunda, is such a place. It's home to one of the best preserved Roman theatres in the world. Constructed in the 2nd century AD, this theatre could accommodate around 15,000 spectators in its prime. Aspendos is more than just a historical landmark, it's a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Romans. Its superb preservation allows visitors to appreciate the intricate details of Roman design, from the ornate stage building to the awe-inspiring acoustics. But Aspendos isn't just about ancient architecture, it's also a place where history comes alive. Each year the theatre plays host to the Aspendos Opera and Ballet Festival, giving visitors a chance to experience the grandeur of a bygone era. Aspendos, a window into Antalya's ancient past. Number 5 on our list is the Lycian Way. Regarded as one of the world's greatest long-distance trails, the Lycian Way is a testament to the allure of the great outdoors. Spanning over 500 kilometers, it weaves its path from Fethiye to Antalya through the very heart of ancient Lycia. The trail is a trove of breathtaking views, offering vistas of rugged mountains, azure seas and hidden valleys. Each step taken is a step into a landscape painted with the rich colors of nature. For the adventure seekers among you, the Lycian Way is a must-do. It's not simply a trail, but a journey that whispers the stories of the past with every crunch of gravel beneath your boots. It's an adventure that allows you to connect with nature on a path less traveled through the heart of an ancient civilization. The Lycian Way, an unforgettable journey through stunning landscapes. At number 4, we have the Antalya Museum. A treasure trove of history, the museum is home to a vast collection of artifacts spanning from the Stone Age to Byzantium. The halls whisper tales of ancient civilizations that once thrived on this very soil, with relics that echo the past, bringing it vividly to life. The museum is not just a testament to Turkey's rich history, but a vital key to understanding it. Each artifact, from the intricately carved statues to the shimmering gold coins, tells a story of times long gone, of empires risen and fallen, and of cultures that have shaped the world we live in today. A visit to Antalya would be incomplete without a journey through this historical labyrinth. Whether you're a history buff or a casual traveler, the Antalya Museum serves as a time machine, transporting you back to the roots of this vibrant country. Antalya Museum, a comprehensive look at the country's rich history. Coming in at number 8 is the vibrant Republic Square. This bustling hub is more than just a square. It's the lifeblood of Antalya. Nestled in the city's centre, Republic Square is a pulsating mix of cultures, history and modern-day life. As the sun sets, the square transforms into an open-air stage, where the city's heartbeat is palpable in the rhythm of the music, the laughter of the locals and the enchanting evening lights. A walk through Republic Square is like flipping through the pages of a living history book. Every corner tells a story, every stone whispers a secret. From the towering statue of Ataturk, the father of the Turkish Republic, to the historic clock tower standing proud, Republic Square is a testament to Antalya's rich past and its vibrant present. Whether you're savouring mouth-watering local cuisine, soaking up the electric atmosphere, or simply people-watching, there's never a dull moment. Republic Square, truly the heart of Antalya. And number 2 on our list is the bustling Antalya Bazaar. A vibrant and lively marketplace, the bazaar is a haven for shopping enthusiasts. Brimming with a myriad of stalls, Antalya Bazaar is not just a shopping destination, it's an experience. The air is filled with the enticing aroma of spices, the colourful textiles are a feast for the eyes, and the chatter of vendors adds to the lively atmosphere. Here you don't just buy, you barter. Bargaining is an integral part of the shopping experience at the bazaar, and it's not only accepted, but expected. So, get ready to haggle your way to some fantastic deals on everything from handcrafted jewellery to aromatic spices and beautifully woven rugs. Whether you're looking for a unique souvenir or simply want to immerse yourself in the local culture, Antalya Bazaar offers an unforgettable shopping experience. So come, engage in a friendly haggle and take home a piece of Antalya with you. Antalya Bazaar, where you can put your bartering skills to the test. And finally, at number 1 we have the old City Marina. A place where time seems to pause and the charm of the old world meets the comfort of the new. This marina isn't just a place to park boats, it's a bustling hub of life and culture, where every nook and cranny holds a story. As you amble along the harbour, you'll be greeted by an array of dining opportunities that are second to none. From charming family-run bistros to high-end restaurants, there's something to satisfy every palate. But let's not forget about the seafood. Freshly caught, expertly prepared, and served with a view that's hard to beat. And what better way to round off a day of exploration than with a cocktail in hand? The marina is dotted with bars and lounges, each offering their own unique take on mixology. So grab a seat, raise a glass, and toast to the beauty of Antalya. Old City Marina, the perfect place to indulge in fresh seafood and cocktails. So there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Antalya, from the historic gateway of Hadrian's Gate to the stunning natural beauty of Düden Waterfalls, from the architectural charm of Kaleiçi to the ancient ruins of Aspendos, from the thrilling trail of the Lycian Way to the comprehensive history at Antalya Museum, from the heart of the city at Republic Square to the bustling Antalya Bazaar. And don't forget the indulgent old City Marina, each one offering its own unique experience, making Antalya a destination not to be missed.